Hello, my name is Joel Strauss, Health Officer with the Bay County Health Department, and today is Thursday, April 22nd, and here is your weekly update for COVID-19 and the status of COVID vaccine here in Bay County, Michigan. The numbers of confirmed positive cases in Bay County has plateaued. Today's test positivity rate is 18%, slightly lower than last week's 21%. Still, this is too high of a condition for our community. Admissions for COVID at McLaren Bay Region are slightly decreasing as well. And while we hope that these numbers will continue to decrease and do so at a more dramatic rate, the variant strains that are highly transmissible, like the B117 and the P1 variant, continue to spread quickly throughout the population. The majority of all confirmed cases comes from persons under the age of 35, and 21% of all new cases are from persons under the age of 18. The hospital is still increasing admissions of persons with underlying health conditions and severe illness. This current surge is another example of the importance for everyone to know the risks that they may encounter with the virus and the risks they may present to others. And while we are making progress on vaccination, over 71,000 doses have been administered to local residents through this week. We are not done. The virus will continue to grow if we do not get everyone to do their part. So please continue to wear a mask, watch your distance, wash your hands, and avoid crowded, unventilated spaces. Most importantly, when you get a chance to get vaccinated, take it. There is ample supply of vaccine available in the community for every adult. Please do your part. The Bay County Health Department and its partner providers have administered over 71,000 COVID vaccines in Bay County, and nearly 50% of the adult population has received at least one dose of the vaccine, and nearly 30% are fully vaccinated. This week, the Health Department will continue to provide vaccine through our clinics at Delta College, and we will be back again Saturday at the Bay County Community Center. But what's different this week is that we are now accepting walk-ins. No appointment is necessary. It's still preferred that you have an appointment though, and if you have an appointment, you will be fast-tracked through the clinic with minimal wait. But there's enough vaccine, and we have now the ability to take walk-ins at our clinics. So there's no excuse why you cannot get a vaccine, unless you are in a quarantine or in isolation. The best way to get an appointment for a vaccine is to register by going to our website at www.baycounty-mi.gov/health/COVID-19. If you cannot make it to one of our community-based clinics, we also highly encourage you to register with our partner providers, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Kroger's, Myers, and Walmart. And you should also check with your own medical provider to see if they are offering the vaccine. With the continued increase of numbers of confirmed cases, we once again ask and remind you that you can help us use the case self-reporting form found at the link below on the Bay County website. On this form, you can self-report onset dates, close contacts, and other pertinent information to help us combat the virus. By reporting online, you can hasten the quarantine notifications, and this may help quicken the time that you spend in isolation or quarantine. Number one, if you've got a child that's a player in a school sports situation and their ages 16 through 18, a good reason to get them vaccinated is that fully vaccinated persons, as long as they're not symptomatic, are exempt from quarantine restrictions. So when it comes down to playoffs or some of the competitions happening in later May and June, they can be exempt from quarantine if they're fully vaccinated. A good reason to do that would be to have them vaccinated starting now. Number two, if you've got a child that's a senior and you want them to go through graduation activities and graduation parties without quarantine, get them fully vaccinated now before the graduation season enters upon us. And then number three would be that if you want your children to continue to go in person at school and not have to face quarantine situations and not spread the virus, get them vaccinated now. That's it for this week. As the situation changes often, keep an eye on the website and the county YouTube channel. Stay safe and stay healthy.